So now I am going to do an unboxing, a very late Christmas gift, and this is from Mom Karen, and then she is the one who painted this one because she is a very good painter, and that's Tom 10, and then she have her signature thing.
The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy.
And it says to Elizabeth Lite Send Your Clap Cam Karen. So exciting. So she already gave me something, and I can put it here on the screen. Good, yeah. Shortcut. Good. Oh, with the hoodie! Oh my gosh! Jingle all the way! Who's so sir? And it's a very nice Christmas sweater that's long that I wore as a dress even. So yeah, and this are just additionals because she said that she ordered it and it didn't come right away. So let's see what is inside, and that's why it says Merry Christmas. Oh, it says from España. Ooh. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox this box. I'm doing it upwards instead of downwards. Okay, like so. And then the box. Ta-da! Feel Unique. I love ordering items from Feel Unique because they are so good also. And ta-da! Oh, what do we have? Oh, this is exactly on my wish list. Okay, oh, oops, sorry. So let's see here. Oh my goodness. Alright. Ta-da! Palette! Yes, finally. Because we do not have these palettes. We do not have so many Elf and Wet and Wild, and if we do, like in the store here in Sweden, Åhléns, we only have a little bit, and it's very limited, unlike in the United States where they get everything that's Elf release. And wow, finally, because I really wanted to try this palette. So this one is the new classics, and it has this very nice neutral shades, everyday shades that are wearable. And this is the one that I really wanted, and this is the Earth and Ocean, and I watched every single reviews of this on YouTube. For real, like I did not end. And there's this one because they have had a promotion back then. It was like 3 for 2. You get 3 items buy only for 2. And then there was an additional discount, or was it? I think this is 3 for 2, but it seems like it's only discounted here. I don't know. I forgot already. And of course, Wet n Wild. So this is my first Wet n Wild palette that is bigger because I have those smaller ones that were gifted to me. But this is the first one that's bigger. And this is Bretman Rocks collab with Wet n Wild. And Bretman Rocks is from the Philippines. So that's why I wanted to support this palette. This has mixed reviews, but we will find out how good it is or when I do the makeup look for this one. So I'm just gonna open this anyway and then show you the shades that are inside. So So it's a very nice packaging as you saw earlier, and then the shades are listed at the back. So you know Bretman, he's kind of loud and out there and no filter, so the names of the shades are quite weird also. Like Flamingo, and then what was the other one everybody's complaining about here? I don't know which one was that? Maybe it was the Flamingo. Because the other ones is not so bad to say anyway. Big peacock energy. This is funny. Alright, so let's check out how it looks inside. Ta-da! Jungle Rock. Ooh, the colors are so nice. It looks like a very pretty color story for this one. I cannot wait to go ahead and try it because this is so exciting. Oh my gosh. Yay! There's just like a little bit of damage on that one, but yeah. And then the other two from e.l.f. I actually didn't know that they were like this big. Well, I only see them on YouTube videos, and then these are the two. I was supposed to buy one for Camille of this one, but this was sent to me as a gift. Anyway, so yeah, there, because that was sold out, and then I think they put it back. And then, yeah, oh. The truth is, I'm also filming my flight attendant makeup, and I have already done everything except for the eyes. I did unbox this one, hoping that I will be getting this because these are my wish list. And yes, I am correct. So, yeah, maybe I will be using this one, the new classics, so it looks like so. And then like at the back, there's like a simple direction on how to use. So this one is the e.l.f. New Classics. And then we open it like this. So there's no mirror, but oh my gosh, those are very pretty shades. I'm so excited. And then like let's open the other one also. Earth and Ocean. And it looks like this. Oof, that is so pretty. I really wanted this one. Yay! These have very, very pretty colors. So I am going to continue with my makeup look and finish the flight attendant. So if you wanted to see how I use this palette, then go ahead and check out that video. I don't know which is going to be uploaded first, if it's this unboxing or this one. I think it was the flight attendant look because that's supposed to be for tomorrow. Today is Saturday and I upload on Sunday. So maybe this one goes on a Monday. Yeah. Check that out. I'm not going to be swatching them yet, but I will do a dedicated video on each and every palette doing several looks, or like some looks that I could. But for now, these are the Christmas gifts that I got. And yeah, I'm just really happy. Yay, thank you so much. Ta-da! So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you have an idea on how this looks like. But don't you worry, I promise you that I will do a makeup look separate, especially for them. See you on my next video, and remember to stay fierce and fly high.